Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Nescafe Sunrise coffee, the only way. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients at hand. You will need Nescafe Sunrise instant coffee powder, hot water, preferably around 93 degrees Celsius, and your choice of sugar and milk. A clean cup and a small spoon are also essential for this simple, yet perfect, brewing process. Now, let's create the rich coffee decoction. Place 1 heaped teaspoon of Nescafe Sunrise powder into your cup. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. This helps in achieving that perfect frothy texture. Pour in just a few drops of hot water, enough to form a thick, dark paste. Stir this mixture vigorously for about 20 seconds until it becomes light brown and wonderfully creamy. With your creamy coffee base ready, it is time to complete your beverage. Carefully pour 150 milliliters of hot milk into the cup, or if you prefer, use 150 milliliters of hot water for a black coffee. Stir gently but thoroughly to ensure all the ingredients are well combined. Taste and adjust the sweetness or strength to perfectly match your personal preference. Congratulations, your perfectly brewed Nescafe Sunrise coffee is now ready to be enjoyed. Take a moment to appreciate the rich aroma and the smooth, satisfying flavor that this method consistently delivers. This simple, yet effective, technique ensures a delightful cup every single time. Sit back, relax, and savor your expertly prepared coffee.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.